Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter L with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal in how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are precious. Try to watch the previous episode so that you can be able to understand this video. To read and write in English language, you must be able to know how to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The small letter L and the capital letter L is the 12th letter of the alphabet. There are two letters on the screen. The first is the small letter L. The second is the capital letter L. The first trick you need to know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of your hand. The letter L is pronounced as L, L, L. Another thing you need to know is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter L. When pronouncing the letter L, the mouth is opened slightly. Then the tip of the tongue touches the upper gum to produce the L sound. Another trick you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter L is L, L, L. The tip of the tongue touches the gum behind the up teeth to pronounce the sound. What part of the mouth was very important in pronouncing the L sound? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter L sounds L. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter L sounds L. 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 Wow! Great job! L as in leg. L as in lamp. L as in lion. Another trick I'll tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a curve, a stroke, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter L, it is formed with a stroke and a curve up below. The capital letter L is formed with a stroke and a dash below. So, between the small letter L and the capital letter L, what are the difference in their lines? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.